What do you think? You excited to go to your daddy's farm? Yeah? This time you don't have to worry about those ticks, too. So these dogs are from the same litter. The cross is between I think it's called Sarplaninac. It's from what used to be Yugoslavia, and Great Pyrenees. And there's one other breed. I can't remember what it was called, but it was another renowned Eastern European type of stock dog. These guys are only 4 months old. And they're probably 40 pounds. So Drew said one of the parents was close to 90 pounds. I think the female. So we'll see how big they get. I think he's gonna get pretty big. He's got big feet. Her, I don't know. We'll just have to see.